leverage here. And so I'm looking at price coming back this high. And it fortunately it did. It came back to that high. And that was a long position from that high. Putting my stop below this level because I'm looking, okay, I put my stop below this candle because I'm looking at a breaker block. I used to be very, very skeptical about that. And 1:4 and TP hit just like that. TP hit just like that. That is absolutely incredible. I was just profit taking and look for the next trade. And so we saw price fail to break above this high. Now that's skeptical again. Price came here, watch inverted fair value gap engulfed, right? And then we were in practically screaming buys. Until we look here, we saw a fair value gap engulfed, but there was no gaps here. So basically we could just enter again on this trade. We could just literally just enter on the trade because, I mean, what happened? So you could have taken the risk. If you're like me, you could have taken the risk, enter from here, probably enter at a better price because you hesitated a little, and then you just target 1:4. 1:4, and we lose. When a bit of profits, and then price just reversed. I will lose. Probably when you enter this kind of trades, you might want to be very protective of your account and just put it in profit as much as possible, but whatever. The trade lost, and the trade lost, another losing trade. So second losing trade, but we had how many wins? Look at that. How many wins? Win, 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 loss. Win, 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 win. And then that loss. We had that loss, right? All right. And so we come here, what do we see? Push to the downside, right? Price is pushing to the downside. We have engulfed all of this inverted fair value gaps. We've inverted all the fair value gaps here. And so probably we're just going to go lower. And so we're expecting price to continue going lower. And so we start to look for entry. Price, come back, we start to see push like this. Start to see a squeeze. I don't really like squeeze market price action. And so I just stay out of it, right? Stay out of the squeeze. And then when I start to see some momentum,